Today I'm going to be reviewing my wife's 2012 Toyota Sienna Sport Edition, and I'm going to be telling you why this van is one of the best van that you can buy. It's one of the most reliable van that you can buy for your family. And as you can see, I'm going to start from the back. This van comes with a tow package. Not all, but this particular one comes with a really nice tow package, and you can tow up to 3,500 pounds with this Toyota Sienna Sport Edition. And this Sport Edition comes with a 3.5 liter V6 engine that produces 266 horsepower. Automatic transmission that performs really well. It makes this car to be very reliable, and it comes with 19-inch wheel. If you look at it, it's kind of a low profile tire, so it helps this van to perform really well. And here is the gas tank, and if you look at the top of it, it comes with a top roof rack that helps in transporting things if you want to transport anything. And look, we've had this van for, and as you can see, the van is really low, so it's amazing. Now this is what the front grille is like. It's a beautiful front grille, and it's low too with the fog light. This is the hood, and I must tell you, this is an amazing car. And this is what the other side of the van looks like. And we've owned this van for almost 3 years, and we have not had any problem with this van. It performs really well. We travel a lot with it. It's not like a car that we drive on the street, so we have lots of highway miles on this van. And this is what the inside of the 2012 Toyota Sienna Sport Edition looks like. It's a beautiful car. And this one comes with this screen, and if you're planning to buy one, you should not worry about this screen, because this the system here kind of looks obsolete. But sometimes this one, this Toyota Sienna you're gonna find, it's not gonna come with this screen. There's the gear shifter, that's the park, the reverse, the neutral, and the sport and drive. And this is what the inside is like. It has like a USB port down there, and other lighting equipment. So this is everything, the temperature, and you can control like the front passenger temperature individually. And that's the thing, you can also control the rear temperature, and you can also control the different things that you want. So it's a really great car. And here we have cup holders, so you're going to be amazed with how many cup holders this car is having. Here we have 2 cup holders, here 2 cup holders, here 2 cup holders, back here 2 cup holders. And if you look over there, it also has 2 cup holders. And on the back, as you can see, this is like a family car. My kids' car seat back there. On the kids' side, they both have like 2 cup holders on each side. So this car, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like 12 different cup holders that you can use when you travel. And on the 2012 Toyota Sienna, that is what the key fob is like. As you can see, you can open the doors, like the sliding doors, from both sides, and you can also control everything from here. So it's a nice looking key fob, and this is what the key is like. Now this is the cargo space that you will have if you open the back. You will have all this space. Now let's see if I can fit myself in here, if I can sit in here comfortably. Yes, it's enough space for me. to even see. Now, as you can see, that's the extra seat for the middle seat. As you can see, I am inside like the back, travel in if I want to do that. So that's the instruction on how to control that. Now I'm going to try and close the back to see if it's gonna fit. So you can see it's shutting. Now look, isn't this amazing? Look at how much room I have between me and the back. So it's so amazing that you can fit 2 adults like me in the back of this van, and you will have so much room. Look at that, look at that, look at the room. That's a lot of room. And look at this between me, and I'm still, look, so you can fit 2 grown adults here. That's how much room you will have left. And look, it's very roomy. And you also have this for charging, which is 120 watts and 12 volt. Like if you travel a lot, you can also use this. You can charge your phone, and that is where the jack and everything is kept, just in case you need it. So here's the instruction. Today I'm not going to be putting all the seats down because we have my kids car seats in there. So that's how much room, that's where I was sitting. That's how much room you will get. Now my family, we travel a lot. So when we saw this car 3 years ago, one of the features that we looked at when we bought this car was this big screen right here. And because we travel a lot, this plays a very important role with our children. And you can put on a movie and you will just travel for as long and as far as you want. So it's really great, it's amazing. And let me show you the cup holders back here. Those are the cup holders on the right hand side, and this is another storage compartment. And look, these are all the vents you have. And this is the seat belt for the person that will sit, or that's going, if you have a passenger, that's the seat belt that they will use. And that is what the car looks like. So it's a very beautiful car. I'll be going to the front and showing you what the car is like. And you see that middle compartment, that is another size for someone to sit. I don't know, there is no seat, so no one can sit there. This 2012 Toyota Sienna Sport Edition comes with a sunroof, and it's a really big sunroof. You can open this manually, and you can also, like when you start the car, you can also use this button here to open the sunroof. So if you push on the back one, it opens. If you push on that button, it opens all the way. And if you push on the other one, it closes. That's what the infotainment system is like. That's the screen, and that's all the control. And there you can see the outside temperature, your time till your gas tank's empty. And that's the display. The display for me, I think it's really great. So when you put it, it shows there. Right now it's on drive, so reverse and park. And over here you have like the skate control, and that's for you to control your mirror. If you want to control the left, you just put it on L. R for right, then you can control your mirror, and that's the controls on the door. And here is the control on your steering wheel. The minus is your volume, and you can also like answer calls, and you can also speak. So for a 2012 car, this car is packed with some good technology, and that's the DVD player. If you push it down, it turns on the emergency brake, and here is power door if you want to turn off the power door. One thing I must tell you with this 2012 Toyota Sienna is that it has some of the most comfortable seats that you can find on a car like this. And the Sport Edition comes with a 3.5 liter V6 engine that really performs well. And the driving experience, like my wife is the one who usually drive anytime we are traveling, so she loves this car, and I love the car with the room and everything that this minivan has. So sometimes you hear people complaining about minivan, but this minivan with 266 horsepower will take on most cars on the road, and it's fun to drive. Okay, this is another compartment that's to put things in, and this is a place storage, another storage space. And look at this middle, that's another big storage space where if you want you can put like as a mini refrigerator in there. If you're someone who travels a lot, you can control the seat. And so it can go all the way to there's a lot of space that you can get when you buy this minivan. So what do you think about this 2012 Toyota Sienna Sport Edition? Do you think it's roomy? Do you think it's a nice minivan? Please, if you found this video helpful, please press the bell notification icon, subscribe to this channel, and please like and share this video to help my channel grow. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.